Hey everyone! If you're ready to start crypto trading on your phone, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a Bybit account using your mobile device, verify it, set up security, and get ready to deposit and trade. Remember, only click the official Bybit link in the description to avoid scam websites. And yes, all top forex broker links are there too. Open Chrome or Firefox browser on your phone and tap the official Bybit link in the description. Once the page loads, you can sign up using your email or mobile number. Enter your details, create a strong password, then agree to the terms and click Get My Welcome Gifts. Next, check your inbox. You'll receive a verification code. Enter the code and you're in. Now let's complete your verification. Tap the Bybit logo, then your profile icon. Next, tap Account, then select Identity Verification. You'll need to select your country or region, choose a document type, driver's license, ID card, passport, or residence permit. Upload a clear photo of your document, and take a selfie where your face is clearly visible. Make sure your photo isn't blurry, cropped, or full of glare. Users under 18 are not eligible. This unlocks features like deposits, trading, and P2P transactions. Now, let's secure your account. Go back to your profile, tap Security. First, set up SMS authentication. Select your country, enter your phone number, tap Send Code, enter the code sent to your phone and your email, then confirm. Now enable Google two-factor authentication. Download the Google Authenticator app from your App Store or Play Store. Open the app and scan the QR code or enter the secret key. You'll now get a 6-digit code to log in safely. Important, save your key phrase in a safe place. It's the only way to recover your 2FA if you lose your device. Time to fund your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to Assets, tap Overview, then choose Deposit. You can fund your account using Visa or MasterCard, P2P trading with local sellers, or directly transfer crypto from another wallet or exchange. Once your deposit is confirmed, you can access all Bybit features: spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, and much more. All from your phone. Bybit makes it easy and fast to trade anywhere, anytime. That's it. You're now ready to explore the full power of crypto trading with Bybit, all on your mobile. Don't forget, click the official Bybit link in the description to sign up safely. Avoid scam links. Always use verified ones. And also check out the links below to other top forex brokers like IC Markets, Exness, Fusion Markets, and more. All trusted, all official. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more helpful trading content. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the world of crypto trading.